Creating gift baskets. The theme for this one is a get well basket, but specifically for somebody in the hospital, which is different than you might create for somebody at home. Okay, I've got a basket that I'm going to put in the back of it, this pillow. This is a soft, smushy pillow, and sometimes I know you get all your hospital pillows, but something from home or of your own is just kind of nice, and this is soft and cushy. So I'll put that in there, and then some reading material. It's always good, magazines or whatever that you like. Put that in. Now here's a really cute novel idea for when your feet are chilly or when the bed is chilly. A little miniature hot water bottle. I just thought that was so cute. I have one at home that I use all the time. Okay, then I thought some nice moisturizing lotion. Something that is a familiar scent that makes you feel comfortable and that makes you feel good. If you know that they like that, that's always good. Okay, then here's a neat thing. There's all kinds of these little miniature games that you can play, and that's good to occupy you and keep you busy for a little bit. So we'll put that in. Once you get everything in, then you can rearrange them to see where they should go and how they fit. Okay, then some nice music. If you know they have a CD player or a Walkman, you can send some CDs along, but one thing that I would recommend is that whatever you do put in a gift basket when you're sending it along to someone in the hospital, always remember to make it easy things that you can keep track of and take home without having to have too much to worry about. So keep in mind the types of music, some a little more upbeat, some relaxing, and then just some Q-tips. And then some Kleenex, these little miniature ones. I don't know about you, but if you've ever tried hospital Kleenex, it isn't as soft as this. So just stick that in. And then something else that's always good and appreciated to keep your feet warm are these good, warm, cozy socks to send along. I know that's always a good item. There, how's that look? Good? There's a hospital get well basket.